well, that's kind of shady because
yeah, sometimes we laugh, sometimes we cry, but I guess you know.
Hey guys, what's up? It's me, Cece, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome. I hope that you would stay, subscribe, and become a part of the Fashionceesta family. Here over on my channel, I show you how to be your baddest bitch at an affordable cost, and we are back with an updated everyday makeup routine for dark skin. I've been using quite a few new products lately, and I figured that I would give you guys an update on my routine because while my technique remains the same, there are quite a few different products that I have incorporated into my routine. So without further ado, let's hop into it. I'm just gonna start off by showing you all the things that I prep my skin with because I've already done my skincare off camera. I'm actually getting ready to go into work, so definitely need to make this quick. So the first new product I'm going to be using is the Milk Makeup Kush Brow Lamination. I have been absolutely loving this. They sent this to me in PR probably about a month ago, and when I say nothing has been holding my brow hairs in place like this product, it is so bomb. Now, recently I grabbed from my Lancome Tint Ultra Care and Glow foundation, and I am obsessed. Not only is this a perfect color match, the way that this foundation lays on my skin is just a true chef's kiss. This next product, you guys know, is not anything that's new. I have literally been using this Thread Beauty complexion stick in the shade 230 for quite some time, but I kind of go back and forth between this and the Black Opal foundation stick, but lately I feel like this 230 from Thread has been doing the job. I like to bronze my skin. I feel like people like to use a more neutral toned sometimes to like make the face more chiseled. I just always want to look like I've been in the sun, so yeah. For blush, this e.l.f. Camo Liquid Blush in the shade Bronze Bombshell. Y'all, do I even need to speak? I made a whole video about this. Look at how great this blush spreads out. Literally, the smallest bit goes a long way. Now for concealer, I, again, have been using this Lancome Tint Ultra concealer. I promise y'all this video is not sponsored by any of the brands that you guys see featured in this video. I've just kind of been taking the time to change up my makeup routine, trying different things because as a creator, obviously, it definitely does get repetitive when you have a set routine. There's only but so much I'm able to do. So at least if I'm going to show y'all the same face, I can show y'all different products. And I forgot to mention the concealer shade. So the first shade you guys saw me use was in the shade 500. And then the other shade that I'm using now is in the shade 460. Y'all know I hate a bright under eye concealer, but I feel like as long as you kind of layer them and you don't go too bright, it always looks good. So yeah, to make sure that I marry that concealer back to my foundation and my contour, I'm just using what was left over on my contour brush and blending that together. And then I set my concealer using my MAC Mineralized Skin Finish Natural in the shade Dark. And I like to put color down before I go and put setting powder because I don't want the color disturbed. So now I'm going in with the Huda Beauty setting powder in the shade Cherry Blossom Cake. Let me tell you something, y'all. If you are a oily girl, even combination skin, and you need a powder that's literally going to lock your makeup in place, this Huda Beauty, oh my God. When I say it's bomb, it's so bomb. And I really love the Cherry Blossom because I like a pink setting powder because it kind of like neutralizes the face. But y'all see, I mean, y'all gonna see what I'm talking about at the end. Like, well, you can see it now, really, it's eating. Cocoa Naughty from Fenty Beauty, the Sunstalker bronzer. Nothing new. I like to use this for my nose contour, and I really only focus in the pockets of my nose to ensure that I don't have those ski slopes going on. This oldie but goodie, the Black Radiance Complexion palette in the shades Dark to Deep, has been my go-to for years. And then to marry everything together, I've really been loving this Relevant Skin Soft Focus Rella Blur powder in the shade Empower 5. It's so good, so smooth, and it really does just bring the face together. Now, The next product that I'm using, also a oldie but goodie, the Continuous Mist Setting Spray. And then I am following up with a new brow product. I have been running this brow product in the ground so much that I am now out. It is the Merit Beauty Brow Pencil. It's called Brow 1990, and this is in the shade Dark Brown. You guys know I only fill in the lower half of my brow, and then wherever there are sparse areas, I like to take a very light hand and fill in those gaps. Back to the eye look, I am starting with my bronzer first, which is my Fenty Beauty Sunstalker bronzer, the same exact bronzer that I used on my nose contour. Another oldie but goodie, the Wet n Wild Simmer Brown pencil. And then I like to go back over that with the bronzer once more to blend out that liner, kind of give it like a little cute little smoked out sexy effect. And then the Lancome Lash Idol Mascara. If you have little lashes like me, this mascara is really good for defining them and making them look more important than they are. Y'all already know my baby 427 Beauty. This is one of my favorite lip liners and one of our best sellers in the shade Chalk. And then for my lip, I'm using another bestseller. It is our 427 Beauty Lip Juice in the shade Baby Girl. And then to set my face, actually I'm not setting my face, I'm setting my brows with the Milk Makeup Kush Brow Lamination. And then after that, I'm going in with, something from 427 Beauty that's coming very, very soon. Very soon. So enjoy the pigmentation, because I'm sure your orders will be coming through when it's time. And obviously I finished my face out with a setting spray, the new Milk Hydra Grip Set and Refresh Spray. So glam is complete, and all of the products that I use that are available for purchase will be linked down below in the description box in the order in which I used them. You guys obviously know they are affiliate links, so if you do choose to shop, I do get a small, and I do mean a small percentage from the purchase. So if you guys want to help out this channel, you know what to do. Click the links. I'll always use my shade references just in case you guys don't want to purchase on the links, but you guys do want to know my shade reference. I am getting ready to head out. It is currently 10:27. You guys will definitely probably see me in about 10 hours or so, because I do have a pretty long day today. I'll see you guys when I get back. All right, so I'm back. I have literally been in this makeup. You guys saw me at like 10 something. I just showed y'all my phone. It is a little after now, almost 9:30, and this is what the face is looking like. I've only had to like blot my face because I did have a mask on, but this is it, you guys. I need to go and wipe this makeup off and shower and get myself ready for tomorrow. But I love you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. And again, all products that I use will be listed down below in the description box. Bye.
Clearly a lot for me to take in. It don't make sense, young